Hello, prospective and first-year students. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about the undergraduate program in plant science, which is housed in the Department of Plant Biology. But first, I want to welcome you to the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences, which is located on the beautiful Cook-Douglas campus. The Department of Plant Biology is located here, and as you can see, it is very fitting because the campus is filled with diverse, lush plant life, making it one of the most beautiful campuses. If you look at all the plant life on this campus, you can actually learn about them in our major. So this is probably a very exciting and anxious time in your lives, where you have to start to think about your undergraduate education and careers. With so many options to choose from, I hope this video will give you an idea of what to expect from joining the undergraduate program in plant science. The program is very diverse because there's something for everyone here, whether you want to make it your career or whether you just want to learn more about plants. To give you an idea of what some faculty in our department do, these are two examples of products from the Rutgers breeding program. On the top left are Rutgers tomatoes. Historically, the tomato breeding program dates back to 1934. More recently, on the bottom right, is the pumpkin habanero, which is a hot pepper shaped like a pumpkin, and it was developed in our exotic breeding program. When we think about plants, we sometimes take them for granted. We often use the phrase, "stop and smell the roses," to remind us that we need to relax and enjoy things in life. Okay, so this isn't an image of a rose, but it is a dogwood flower, also developed in our Rutgers breeding program. What I'm asking you to do in this video is to consider the phrase in the context of plant science as a field of study for your career. Careers in plant biology are not just about growing plants for food or aesthetic purposes. The plant science major offers a broad range of training beyond plant production. There is something for just about everybody, whether you like plants or not. So now I'm going to walk you through the various options within the plant science major and associated minors. The natural product option within the major is a new and popular focus of study. In this option, students learn about useful plant products, for example, pharmaceuticals, insect repellents, flavors, scents, and other beneficial plant products. Up here on the left and in the middle are blueberries and cranberries, which have medicinal properties. We have natural product chemistries on these compounds derived from these plants. Likewise, the picture on the right is research being conducted on basil for flavor and disease resistance. In addition to the major option, if you choose another major, you can still have an opportunity to study this area through a minor or certificate in natural products. For those who might be interested in plant production, we have a horticulture focus, which is part of our major option in horticulture and turf industry. You can learn about greenhouse production, as you can see in the top 3 images, as well as outdoor production and much, much more. We also offer minors in plant science and public garden management, which can give you an opportunity to learn about working at places such as the Rutgers Gardens. Also part of the horticulture and turf industry option is turf grass science. This focuses on turf grass management in the landscape and sports turf industries, including golf courses. The bottom right picture is one of our turf grass research farms, which includes research about variety trials that evaluate the quality of different grasses. In this program, we also have an option for students to take the certificate. The third major option is in the field of general plant research. Students in this major option are prepared for lab skills and research, as well as postgraduate studies. The plant biology department has faculty that do research in areas such as plant molecular biology, genomics, biochemistry, and physiology. We also have a program in horticultural therapy, which is not part of the major, but is an up-and-coming field of study. It combines working with plants and people from the social, therapeutic, or vocational rehabilitation settings. Our program is one of the top programs in the nation and is gaining worldwide recognition. We offer a certificate and a minor program in horticulture therapy. For more information, you can search Rutgers Horticultural Therapy online and you'll find our website there. One aspect of studying at SEBS is that all students have to do experience-based education, which is really individual hands-on learning and training. In our major, this gives students an opportunity to work in the lab, in greenhouses, in industries, or in production and research settings. This gives students real-life experiences of what they learn inside the classroom. So in case all what I just said earlier is just too much information, here is a summary of the 3 major options of plant science. We have the general option for those who are interested in research and graduate school, the horticulture and turf industry option, which is designed for students interested in the applied plant industries, and the brand new option in natural products, which focuses on the study of medicinal compounds, cultural and economic botany. Our associated minor degrees are plant science, agroecology, horticultural therapy, medicinal and economic botany, and the public garden management. These certificates include plant biosecurity, horticultural therapy, medicinal and economic botany, as well as turf grass science. But all this is well and good. The big question is really, what can you do with your plant science degree? So here are what many of our graduates are doing. Many have gone on to graduate school and received their advanced degrees and are now working in academics, research, and industry R&D. Others have found a place in applied plant industries such as production, cultivation, and management. These include areas of plant breeding, golf courses, farms, nurseries, greenhouses, and indoor cultivation. Some have taken positions in the state and federal services, such as the U.S. Department of Agriculture, FDA, and the New Jersey Department of Agriculture. So our program really prepares students for all these fields. But you don't have to take my word for it. Here are some former graduates who attest to the quality of their education and training in our major degree program. David is quoted saying that the program provided him with a multifaceted approach to his education, combining hands-on learning, technical knowledge, and participation in research projects. Adam gives recognition to the faculty in our department. That helped him succeed in developing the skills in plant biology and horticulture. Here are a couple of more testimonials from students who received the plant science minor. If you don't major in plant science, the minor can still provide you with robust skill sets. Chris is the perfect example for that. He majored in art history, but with his plant science minor, he is currently working as a lab technician and is interested in pursuing his PhD in plant biology. Dan is a current student in the program, and with his experience in plant science, he too plans to pursue graduate studies in plant biology. Just for the record though, more than 50% of our majors are women, and many were willing to provide a testimonial, but were unable to do so for this presentation. I hope I have convinced you to consider our programs, and if you're still not sure that plant science is your thing, you can consider taking the course Plants and People. It's a fun, introductory course and addresses the contribution of plants to all aspects of human life. For more information, I encourage you to go to our website. There you can find everything about our programs, our department, and our contact information. We can help you figure out how to move forward.